Well, this morning we brought in a doctor to answer your COVID-19 questions. So let's check back in with Dr. Frank LoVecchio. Our first viewer question this morning comes from Russ in Fountain Hills. So he's asking, can the U.S. vaccinate enough people to achieve herd immunity by the end of the year?
Well, I'm optimistic that we can. To get herd immunity, we need to vaccinate about 250 million Americans. Okay, so far we've vaccinated about 9 million. 9 million people have gotten about one shot, so we have a long way to go. The real question is, can the world get herd immunity? And it seems very, very unlikely. Look at the logistics that we're going through and the refrigeration issues. So probably not going to happen in the world till we get that one-shot vaccine dose that doesn't have to be refrigerated to -100 or -30 degrees. But we're optimistic by the end of the year that we will be.
All right, doctor, our second question this morning certainly hits a nerve personally, so I'm glad a viewer asked it. How effective are masks on the people who do not cover their nose?
Not effective. If you don't cover your nose, technically, most of us breathe through our nose. And when you breathe through your nose, you're obviously exhaling or letting air out of your nose. And that's where the virus likes to live. You know, when we check a swab on you, we don't like to check your nose. We know it's painful, but we go there because that's where a high concentration of the virus is. So I'm breathing in, breathing out through my nose, I'm spreading more virus. So technically it's worse. I'm not saying tell the people not to wear anything, but please do it for the other people. When you wear a mask, it's for someone else, you know.
Yeah,
If
we've been
you're going to wear it, right? Like wear it properly, I guess.
We've been saying it for months.
Right.
Nothing new there. All right, doctor, this question comes from us. So last month there were a few reports of health officials in Russia and the UK recommending people not drink alcohol for a few days before or after getting the vaccine. This is spreading online here in the US. So can you verify whether or not people should do that?
You know, as a doctor, I have to tell you that if you drink alcohol, it decreases your immunity. As a physician, I tell you that if you have 3 drinks, that some of your, immunity drops. But I can't say that if you just have 1 drink. I'm not encouraging you to get drunk before you get vaccinated. But I'm going to tell you, most of us the day after did not want to drink. We just wanted to sleep and go to bed. But 1 drink is probably not going to be that big of a deal. In fact, almost nothing.
All right. Good to know that. All right. Thanks, doctor. You'll be with us all morning long here, so keep those questions coming in. 602-444-1212 is the number to text. We still have plenty of time to ask him some more stuff, so we'll get to many of those as we can.
And with new information coming out every day, we know it's a lot to keep up with. You can always find the latest details about the coronavirus and how it's affecting Arizona on our 12 News app.